So it's the dream final tonight in the Ray and Neville Contender Boxing Series. Jamaican crowd favorite and #1 ranked Sakima Mullins versus the Canadian #1 ranked Phil Rose. And the fact that this year's contender has been billed Jamaica versus Canada. Now, as a Jamaican, me I carry Sakima Mullins to win the fight and the title and the money. Don't watch the little grumblings where Sakima blame the Maverick for turn the people against him because me say him lose his semi-final to Tetsi Davis. According to Sakima, it's the Maverick come talk about robbery, but people are call him Sakima robber. But Sakima, big man, the entire Jamaica and the world see that fight and see say Tetsi win and you get a friendly favorites decision. Me never have to tell nobody that. People see it for themselves. It don't have nothing to do with what the Maverick said. Anyway, I forgive Sakima. He never recover well from the Tetsi battering when he make a thought. And again, I'm going to show Sakima say the Maverick no bias. And me is a real Jamaican. Me I carry Sakima Mullins to win the fight tonight. Yeah man, me I carry Sakima to beat the Canadian Phil Rose. But one thing, brother, you have to fight a better fight than when you fight Tetsi. Otherwise, this bad Canadian, he's going to beat you and you're going to lose again. And the judge then going to have to help you again. And the Maverick might have to call Crossroad Police Station again to report another robbery. The police done there already. Go, Sakima. Go, Sakima, go.
Sports commentary.